Well, LG a couple of years ago introduced the idea of direct drive, and a good illustration is this. In the old days, you used to have a motor and a pulley, and that's how you used to run your washing machine. You couldn't do anything with it. LG introduced the idea of direct drive servo motors, and that made a big change in technology. It makes it much quieter because it makes a really nice even roll on it, and it also gives it a lot of durability. So a 10 years guarantee we put on all our washing machines, which why we're doing so well in the UK in terms of being a premium manufacturer, and also you've seen which accreditation for a couple of our key pieces. The technology we've involved now is with servo motors you can go further. You can actually control them so they don't just go round and round. You can change the cycle. So we're now using a thing called 6 motion where you can select the sort of wash you want. A good example of that would be that when you want to do a hand wash in the old days, you can't actually do anything other than do it by hand. Now you can do a hand wash in your machine. Bizarre as it seems, what happens with this is in the machine, the servo basically does a rocking motion and basically moves the clothes that are the woolens and those sort of things around at the bottom, but doesn't actually push them around the drum that much, therefore it doesn't cause any issues to them. All of these can be used to do everything from very gentle motions to very severe motions in terms of getting things clean, and they can do it with less energy and they can do it with less water, which makes a lot of energy saving opportunities. And that's one of the key things coming through in the home appliances area, because energy saving is key to how householders are running their house. You'll see it in other areas because we're also including in this, and we have done for the last year and we've won awards for it, the introduction of steam into the washing machine as well, which allows us to minimize the amount of water, maximize the amount of cleaning, also taking the fabric, releasing the fabric so it's more relaxed, so there's less ironing to be done, and also making it better for households in terms of allergens, because basically the steam helps kill all that. That steam technology is not only in our washing machines, you're going to see it this year when LG launches for the first time in the UK a dishwasher. And that's going to be using steam technology and wash. Again, trying to give environmentally friendly options, but also making sure things get cleaned in an effective way and make sure no germs and that sort of things are left. Those sort of technologies are also being transferred into other areas of home appliances, so you'll also see some smart work that we'll be able to show you of how we're connecting in the devices so you can actually program them in the same way people are now using mobile phones to program when their TV records. You can do things like that with your washing machine to make sure it goes on the cycle you want, or goes on at effective times of day or night to be able to maximize and best utilize your electricity supplies.